Let's make an easy dinner tonight using our Instapot. I don't want to have to do a lot of dishes, so let's make goulash in the Instapot. Let's go over these ingredients that we're gonna need. 1 pound of ground beef, elbow macaroni, tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, some minced onions, and Worcestershire sauce. You're also gonna need some beef broth. First things first, we're gonna get our ground beef added to the pan, and we're going to use the saute feature to cook up the ground beef. Go ahead and add in the minced onion. I would say about a tablespoon, garlic powder, probably about a teaspoon, and add some salt and pepper. And I'll come back when this is all finished. The meat is done cooking, and I've already drained off any bits of grease that were in here. So first I'm going to be adding the beef broth, Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon. And also adding in the, how do you pronounce this? Worcestershire sauce. 1 tablespoon of this as well. You need 2 cups of elbow macaroni, which is basically half of the box. So this recipe could easily be doubled, but this is just gonna go right on top of this meat and broth mixture. And all I do is just kind of spread it around evenly. Don't mix it. And then we're going to put the tomato sauce and the diced tomatoes. So again, petite diced tomatoes, and then I get the salt-free, the no salt, because I can add my own. I'm just gonna put it right on the top. Do not mix this in. I'm just gonna top this with a little extra salt and pepper. Again, I get the no salt added so that I can add my own seasonings and I know what I'm putting into this. And a little bit of pepper. All right, now we're gonna put the lid on this, and then it's going to cook on high for 4 minutes. That's it. All right, the timer just went off, so now we're gonna do a quick release of this pressure because it doesn't need to cook any longer. Once the lid is ready to be taken off, all you need to do now is give it a good stir and top it with some cheese, and dinner's ready. Really easy.